So this question in which the time is given and ratios are given, we have to find one more time of the one more second person. Okay, so let me see how can we do that. Okay, so A and B enter into a partnership with their capital in a ratio 7:9. At the end of the 8th month, okay, at the end of the 8th month, A withdraw his capital. If they receive the profit in the ratio 8:9, find how long B capital was used. So it is also too easy. So what they had done, 7:9 is their capital ratio. Okay, but now what they are saying, at the end of the 8th month, okay, A withdraw his capital means A for A the time of investment of only 8 months, and for B that we don't know, so that we consider as a M. Okay, now what if they are saying that they are receiving this much? Oh, sorry. If they are saying at the end they are receiving this much profit, okay, then how long B capital was used? Okay, so as you can this question we can do directly now. Okay, now if you know the relation in the what in a ratio, so if you know the relation, it means if their new ratio was this and their old ratio is the 7:9, you can see that 9 and 9 both time is same. 9 and 9 both time the same, but the only changes in the this value. Okay, this value is the in here is the 7, here it is 8. It means you always know what you want to divide, what you want to multiply. In a ratio you have to do with the same number only. Okay, that you know. So now you can see that if this 7 into 8 and here also should be the something same only, something we want to do, so that that ratio could be this after changing something, like after multiplying some uh, months. Okay, so if you see that 7 into 8, what could be, it could be 7 into 8 is 56. Okay, and here we don't know. Okay, but there is something that is we consider as m. So if we multiply this with if we divide with the same number, then only the ratio comes, then only the number simplifies and this ratio comes. It means if you simplify this number with 7, then only it comes to 8. Okay, then only it comes to 8. Understand? Same thing you have to do this side also, because if you simplify this side with 7, then you have to also simplify this side also with 7. It means it is 9 multiplied with the number is 7. Okay, then only when you divide this with 7, you comes 9 here, because 9 is already here. If there is any other number that we don't know about it, or here suppose it is here is the 12 and here is the 9. Suppose if this condition happens that in there this position there is a 12 and there is a 9, then you have to be do some calculations. But in this case, if you know that the 9 here also and 9 here also, only changes in 7 and 8. Okay, and you know that when you have to know the shares of profit, then you have to calculate the time and capital. Time and capital sorry time and capital. This is time and this is capital. This is 8 month time, 7 month, 7 is a capital. Okay, so that you multiplied here also time and capital you multiply, then you simplified them by dividing same number. So if this side you divide by 7, then only it comes 8. Here also if this side you divide it by 7, then only it comes 9, because it is the rule in a ratio that you have to divide with the same number only. Okay, so from here the answer has already has occurred that the B capital was used for 7 months. Okay, okay. Now I want to give you some one more example, because there's the direct we can do this question with the help of some logics. But if you have to do it with some rules, so let me change some numbers. Okay, so suppose this number is 7 ratio. Okay, this number is 7 ratio 12. Okay, this number is 7 ratio 12. Okay, so now if they say that it for 8 months, and then for second person we don't know how much time he invested. Okay, so that we consider m, no problem. So this we again do the thing that what 7 into 8 is 56. Okay, okay, that we don't know because so that we consider his total total work he had done for the for the business. Okay, that we calculated here, but we in this case we don't know, that we consider it. Now what they are saying, after when it comes to the profit sharing, this shares their profit in a ratio like what could be their ratio, what could be their ratio. Their ratio we consider as here the ratio is suppose 4. Okay, their ratio could be 4. And what, and what, and what, and what, and what, if this is the ratio, then here also should be any ratio. That could be uh, let me consider mm, here what it could be 3. Okay, this we consider as a new ratio. Now you can see this. Now you can see that this 4 is nothing but equal to 56. When you simplified 56, then the 4 is come. Then only 4 come. Okay, and when you simplify this number, then only 3 comes. Okay, so from this we can we know that 56 comes after after you do something with 56. You divide 56 with some number, that the 4 is the only remaining. It means how it means if when you divide 56, the 4 is remain, the 4 is the answer. It means what that number could be. So that number could be is 4 1 the 4. Yeah, remain 4 4s 40. It could be 14. Okay, so the 14 could be when you multiply 14 by 4, could be 56. Okay, similarly we have to do here also. What what we can do here, like after simplifying this side, then only 3 comes. After simplifying, it means 3 is something of this multiplying of this. Okay, but but we know that one thing, we know that one thing we know that what, if you divide in this side with any number like 14, then that numbers only you have to divide this side also. That numbers you have to divide this side also. It means we don't know what could be the here, but we know that the 15 is multiplied by 4, then only 56 coming. Similarly in this side also what happens, when you multiply 3 with 14, 3 with 14, you got some number like 14 3 ja, 52 I think. Yeah, then only that comes this side also. But the problem here is also yeah, I have chosen some wrong number here. What could be, yeah, it is little bit wrong. The ratio should be something else. Yeah, something else like what, 28 student. Here I had done some wrong calculation. Yeah, I had done some wrong calculation. Okay, I had done some wrong calculation. Yes, I had done some wrong calculation because and in you don't have the number that you can multiply by 2, so you get 42. So mm it could be anything as number, anything as anything as. Mm, so what could be that number? Okay, no problem. That we can. If somehow, uh, sorry, then you have to change this number of 56. Okay, this number from the 12. Yeah, least, such least. It could be what? Sorry. Um, it could be 6. Okay, then it's good. It could be 6. Yeah, and it's good. It means, let me consider 6 here. It means now what this means. I have changed this number because with 12 it is not possible. I take the random number, so because of that only this problem comes. So it could be 6 now. Now you know what I had done here. Okay. Now if we know this side value, okay, means if we know now if we know this side value, what I had done here. When you multiply 14 with 4, then only this number comes. Similarly, if you multiplied 14 with 3, then only this number comes. Okay, so that we multiplied with 3, so this numbers come. Now, from this above and down equation, that we can consider this thing that the 6m is nothing but equal to 42. It means the m value is nothing but 7. Okay, because 7 6 are 42. Okay. Okay. Now the m value 7 means B for my example, B is investing money for the 7 month only. Okay. So thank you.